Hey, welcome back. Now that we've covered the Empathy Map Canvas, the Value Proposition Canvas, and the Personas as tools and techniques to help us get a good customer understanding, let's close this section by talking about a few other tools and techniques that you can explore by yourself in order to learn more about this topic. The first tool that I want to share with you is very similar to the persona we already created. But instead of drawing that persona on a piece of paper or in a digital format, you can actually take a big box, be it from Amazon or other suppliers, and create a 3D version of your persona. The benefit of that is you can put that persona in the middle of your team room so that every once in a while people look at it and people can actually talk to it, relate to it. This creates a different dynamic, both in creating it, but also in then interacting with it. The next tool you can use is to facilitate more conversations about customers and actually put them at the center of your conversations. At Amazon, for example, they frequently have an empty chair in their meeting room. And every once in a while, when they're debating about a potential solution, someone asks, what does that empty chair think? What does our customer think? And suddenly, everyone tries to take a more objective and more customer-centric perspective. And finally, one of the best tools or techniques that I have ever seen is that you invite your customers frequently to participate in your sprint reviews or whatever feedback session you have. Don't reduce those meetings to people that are internally to the organization. Do your best to have real customers be there. At MAN, for example, we had real truck drivers participate in the sprint review and give us feedback on what we were building in a way that we couldn't have got from anybody else. And that, of course, helped us build a better understanding of their needs, of their demands, and ultimately build a better product for them. I hope you enjoyed this section on understanding customers. In our next video, we will quickly debrief everything and then close this module. See you there.